Today I'm going to show you how to take any YouTube video, you don't even need to download it, and turn it with AI into a bunch of automatic clips that you can post as shorts or whatever you want to do with them. Let's jump in. Right here, I'm on the V.io homepage, which is the tool that I use. Link in the description to sign up, by the way. And as you can see here, there's a bunch of options. You can create just a text, so like a spaceship in a futuristic, AI dubbing, translate your video to any language, create an avatar of yourself, which is a really cool feature. But right here is the good one, create clips beta. So just click on that. It'll take you to their page, and all you need is the YouTube link. You can also upload your own video. So right here, I'm going to use an example video from Creator Inside YouTube channel where they talk about the YouTube algorithms in 2025. My channel is based on making content creation simple, and of course, if you want and making money with content, and of course, understanding the algorithm is good to know, and these are YouTube employees themselves. So we can just take the link of the video, copy that, paste it right into the AI automator, and click Get Clips. Now we can select some different options here. So if you want portrait, landscape, we want portrait because we're going to make some shorts with it. It'll automatically add subtitles, so you can choose what kind of subtitles you want to use, and they have many options. I'm gonna say let's use hey there. I like this one right here, Slay, hey there. This one is kind of a Mr. Beast style, it looks like. And now here's the video goals. Do you want viral shorts? Do you want highlights of the clip? Or do you want insights? I'm gonna say viral shorts, probably be more animated. This is a podcast. The highlights, I'm gonna say we want the insights. Click continue with English because that's the language of the video, and then it's gonna pop up. I have only the light plan, not the premium right now, but you do get a free test, which I used the other day, and it will go through the whole video and create clips of key moments, and you can edit in the V.io editor, which has lots of very simple, easy to use features, and it'll say we will email you shortly when it's ready. So it's going to use their AI and go through the video and find the clips, I'm guessing based on what they're saying, and using AI to determine what the key points are, and automatically cut those portions into clips with this text at the bottom here. The live AI captions will also be added. And then of course you can go into the V.io video editor after and manually edit yourself if you want to add some effects, zoom in, maybe correct the captions or whatever you want to do. So comment below, subscribe, and click here for a recommended video. Thanks for watching.